Okay, this is our second task for today and should go relatively quickly. This is a reference sheet for perimeter and circumference, and we'll deal with circumference later. Perimeter is a distance around a polygon. It's one-dimensional. Because the square and the rectangle are regular polygons, meaning the side measurement is the same, we can write and use a formula. Well, the rectangle is not really a regular polygon, it just has a pattern. A regular polygon means all of the sides are the same, so that's a mistype. So we can write and use a formula, however we don't have to, as long as you recall we add all side lengths. But let's go ahead and explore real quickly or real briefly what the formulas are. If you recall, a square has all the side measurements the same. So that means for every square, we could just take 4 times whatever side length they give us. However, if you don't like using that, you can put side plus side plus side plus side. So if we use the formula, it would look like this. We would say, okay, let's call this side length, we're going to say S equals 5 centimeters. So I would take perimeter and put 4 times 5 and get 20. Or if I didn't like that way, I could take 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and get 20. It's up to you which you prefer. The rectangle's not regular, however, you may have noticed that it does have a pattern. If this is a length here, then this is a length here, and I'm choosing to write in cursive so it doesn't look like a 1. If this is a width, then this side's a width. So you're going to notice that there's 2 lengths and 2 widths. That's where the formula came from. 2 times length and 2 times width together would be the distance all the way around it. But if you don't like that, you don't have to do it. You could write this as length plus width plus length plus width going around all the way around the rectangle. We would have the same end result. For other polygons, we just add the side measurements. Unless we notice that there's a regular pattern to it, we can just add the side lengths. So let's just make up some side lengths. Let's call this 3. We'll make it millimeters, and we'll say that this is 6 millimeters, and we'll say that this is 7 millimeters. Because there's 3 sides, I need to add up 3 numbers. 3 plus 6 plus 7. And so the perimeter of this would be 16 millimeters in length. Thanks for listening, and we will practice this more tomorrow. Thank you.